Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and I'm staying in front of a GP30U locomotive number 2441. As you can tell, this used to be a Santa Fe, but it now belongs to a LTEX. And this is the bell. And I will see you on top of the locomotive, or on it. Okay everyone, I am on the locomotive right now, and they actually keep this door unlocked. I'm not sure why. They keep the front door locked, but this one is unlocked. And I am going to give you a quick view of the cab, and I can't go in there because I don't want to get in trouble for like trespassing or anything. But here's a quick view. And this actually used to be a BNSF engine, if you didn't know. And yeah. That little knob right there, that's the horn. So I'll see you back on the ground. Now I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the engine. So this is the locomotive that got me into trains. And I hope you enjoyed the video, everyone. Have a blessed day.